Hey guys, welcome back though.
Anyways,
I'm thinking to do a Roblox story, but no bad and appropriate things. Because last time I did a fake one, I got many views and many likes. So I think I will make one. I will remind you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.